Hey there! If you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering how to make money using AI tools. Well, I did exactly that and earned over $1,000 in just 2 weeks. No fancy equipment, no ads, and no tech background. Just a laptop, internet, and a little creativity. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can do the same. A few months ago, I was burned out doing freelance gigs. I was trading hours for very little pay, and it wasn't sustainable. That's when I realized AI could actually work for me, not just for fun, but to make real income. So I started testing ideas. Here are the 3 main AI tools I used. ChatGPT, for writing and content creation. Canva, for designing and formatting ebooks. Gumroad, to sell the final product online. And I used TikTok and Instagram Reels to get traffic for free. So how did I create the product? I went to ChatGPT and typed, "Give me a profitable digital product idea that people actually want to buy." It suggested several topics, but I chose one that always sells: weight loss tips. Then I asked ChatGPT, "Who's the target audience? What should the chapters be? Can you write 300, 500 words per chapter?" It generated a full mini ebook for me, fast. I copied that content into Canva, picked a clean and modern template, added some visuals, and exported it as a PDF. Now I had a digital product ready to sell. Next, I needed to sell it. I created a free account on Gumroad, uploaded the PDF, wrote a product description using ChatGPT again, and set the price at $25. Then came the marketing part. I created short videos on TikTok and Instagram like "one tip that helped me lose 3 pounds in 3 days." At the end of each video, I added "get the full guide, link in bio." That's it. First week, 3 sales. I didn't expect much, but I kept going. Then I optimized. I made better videos, cleaner thumbnails, better hooks, more value. I used Canva to create eye-catching visuals. I updated my product description based on buyer feedback. By the end of the second week, I had 38 total sales, 38x $25, $950, and a few more came in after that, pushing me over the $1,000 mark. Here's how you can start today. Use ChatGPT to create valuable content. Pick hot topics: health, relationships, money. Design it in Canva. Keep it simple but professional. Upload it to Gumroad and write a solid product page. Drive traffic using short-form videos, TikTok, Reels. Keep improving. Test, learn, adjust. Most importantly, don't wait for it to be perfect. Just start. This system helped me make my first $1,000 online using only AI tools, and I am now working on bigger products. If you want to try this, drop a comment below saying, "I am in," and I'll send you some free templates and tips to get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-world AI strategies. See you in the next one.